Good job.
Again?
Okay, go get it and throw it with one hand now. Throw it with one hand. One-handed. One hand. Throw it with one hand. Go. Ready? Go. Throw it.
When I throw this,
Go ahead.
when it races, it will stop.
Okay. Whoa.
Did it stop?
Yep. One more time.
Didn't toys it? Isn't Maddie not coming?
Okay, once more.
Did I shut the door?
Yep. And throw it one more time. That wasn't a very good one.
That was a good one.
Can you throw it with one hand instead of two? Throw it just with your one hand.
One,
One hand. Ready?
2, 3. Blast off! Didn't twist his top.
Yep.
Didn't was because it was his 1, 2, 3, 4. Blast off! Ha!
Good job, buddy.
1, 2, 3. Blast off!